Moths play a quiet but powerful role in our natural world. There are around 2,500 species of moth in the UK, and they are just as important to our ecosystems as butterflies, and yet they often go unseen because many of them fly at night. Moths come in an incredible range of colours, sizes, shapes and patterns. From elephant hawk moths to Jersey tigers to mint moths, the diversity is incredible. Moths are important pollinators, feeding on lots of plants such as borage, sweet rocket and jasmine, carrying the pollen as they go. They are also a vital food source for other garden wildlife such as birds, bats and amphibians. By planting nectar-rich flowers, you can create a nighttime haven for these overlooked insects. To make a nighttime nectar bar, you will need a large pot, planter or container, preferably upcycled and at least 30 centimetres wide with drainage holes in the bottom, some peat-free compost, a watering can and some water, some mulch or leaf litter, and a mix of night-scented and nectar-rich flowers for those night-flying moths. Let's start with your pot or container. Make sure it has some drainage holes in the bottom. Then use some peat-free compost to fill your container. Fill to about 5 centimetres below the rim. Arrange your plants so that the taller varieties are at the back or in the centre, and use a mix of summer and autumn blooms to keep moths fed throughout the seasons. Today, for example, I'm using jasmine, evening primrose, borage and sweet rocket, but there are loads of options for you to choose from. Give your plants a good water after planting. Make sure to keep your compost moist, especially during dry spells. Pop your nectar bar in a sheltered spot away from bright artificial lights. These can confuse and exhaust night-flying moths. If you do use outdoor lighting, choose warm-coloured bulbs and switch them off when not needed. Scatter some leaf litter or mulch around the base of the container. This offers shelter for caterpillars and pupating moths. And there you have it, a nighttime nectar bar, the perfect pit stop to help welcome moths into our outdoor spaces.